Spend the next 10 minutes slowly going through an existential crisis while you count how many fingers you have. Spend 5 of those minutes desperately trying not to touch your face. Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hyram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. So life's not so fun right now. I don't want to say too much because my goal is to be a positive distraction on this channel and not bring attention to things that are sad and happening in the world that we can't control. But likely you are watching this stuck in your home, not being able to go out safely, and I feel for you. Here in Hawaii, it's looking like it's about to be the same, and I'm not excited, but at the same time, I'm used to completely isolating myself from everyone and all of my friends and family, so this isn't going to be too different. And that may sound like I'm trying to be relatable, but that's the truth. Yeah. So when I was thinking, Hyram, what's something you and other people can do to pass the time while we're all stuck at home, I thought, it's skincare time. Why not create your own spa at home? Hey, you have the time, you have the materials, you have the laziness to do anything else that's actually productive with your life. So why not? So in this video, I'm going to lead you along in my process of creating my own at-home spa. And mark my words, this will likely be the only DIY thing that I ever recommend on this channel. But desperate times call for desperate measures. And I know y'all are bored as fuck, so you might as well follow along. And while we are in the middle of this crisis, I will be creating as much YouTube content as I possibly can in order to help you guys pass the time, because I know that you're sitting at home with nothing to do. And seeing how many comments of people saying that they are so happy I uploaded because they are in lockdown makes me want to create as many videos as I can for you guys. I also want to say that this video is thankfully sponsored, yay, by Zitstica. They recently came out with their Skin Discipline supplement. This one is a dietary supplement for moments where you're really struggling with acne or breakouts. It's really cool because it has a capsule-in-capsule technology. In the outer capsule, you have omega-3, which may be effective for reducing inflammation and the overall tone of the skin. And on the inside capsule, meant to keep all of those ingredients fresh and unadulterated, there's some of my favorite ingredients to find in a supplement, like niacin, as in niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B3, which may help prevent sun damage within the skin, zinc, which may help reduce acne, vitamin B6, a supplement I already take from time to time when my skin needs a little bit of extra assistance, and probiotics, which I really enjoy because I already take probiotics because your boy is lactose intolerant. I know you're super jealous. And for that, I need all the digestive help I can get, and I like that the probiotics are already in this one. It is free from artificial colors, gluten, soy, sugar, preservatives, dairy, wheat, nuts, and sodium, which I really like because it means that it's fully inclusive of anyone who may have dietary allergies. I've been really excited to talk about this ever since I first figured out about it about 4 months ago, but I'm really thankful that I've been able to use it recently because my skin has been throwing a fit because I've been trying so many different skincare products and it is just rejecting all of them. And I'm kind of annoyed, and it's moments like these where I'm grateful to have as many options as I can to just help my skin as much as possible from the inside and the outside. Now, I will say I am not a doctor, I am not a nutritionist, I am not a dietitian, and if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or currently take any medication, please, of course, be sure to check with your doctor before taking these supplements. But I've really enjoyed my experience with these, and I am really impressed by the innovative technology that they use to separate the different supplements in the capsule. If you're interested in purchasing Skin Discipline, go to the link in my description box below. And yeah, thank you so much to Zitstica and Skin Discipline for sponsoring this video, and as always, like I always say, thank you guys so much for being super supportive of my sponsorships because they go to help this channel and support me to be able to keep creating YouTube content for you guys, and I really appreciate your support as always. So let's get into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my bathroom. Let's get into it. The first step is using a micellar water. Oh, I look kind of good. To get all the sunscreen and powder that I use to film with off my face. Oop, don't spill. Now, normally I don't like to use cotton pads, because help the earth, but in this video I thought I'd treat myself. Start by massaging the face, and oh my god, that feels so good. Make sure you're not pressing too hard on your face as you just gently go across every area. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, Hyram, what are you doing? Okay, step number dos is to cleanse the face. Yeah, okay. Quick moment for voguing next to my cleanser. Go, get it. Yes, God. Work. This is too much. Just make sure to rinse your face first, and then have you guys clicked off yet? And then just gently massage it all over your face, getting again in all the nooks and crannies, and do a little beat on your face. Just make sure you're going across every part of your face, gently foaming it up. Don't forget your neck. And then make sure to just rinse off completely because you don't want any suds left on your face. And you are done. Good to go. Easy peasy. Then make sure to get a different towel for your face because you do not want the bacteria from your normal towel on your face. And oh my gosh, that cleanser does not taste good. Anyway, now we are on to the face mask. It's time for some exfoliation. And oh my god, this texture is so satisfying. I don't know what that was. I apologize. Make sure you use a separate scooper so you don't get bacteria inside. Put it onto your hat and then just spread it across your face. And then you wait. Quick announcement, I got a robe from Target and I love it. Normally it is way too fucking hot in Hawaii to be wearing a robe, but it's been super rainy for the last week and I've been wearing this every single day. And did I get this robe solely for this video? That's a yes from me, dog. And I can't help it. I just love it. It's so comfortable. Spinning around, yes. The hills are alive. Okay, next get your materials, a bowl of hot water, a separate towel that you place in the bowl of water to soak over the next 10 minutes. And then just put all your skincare products. Okay, why is my camera constantly refocusing? What the fuck is up, Kyle? Seriously, dude, what the fuck, Kyle? Step the fuck up, Kyle. And now that it looks all pretty, just get a book to read afterwards and start relaxing, bitch. That was fun. Okay, don't get your mask on the couch. Spend the next 10 minutes slowly going through an existential crisis while you count how many fingers you have. Spend 5 of those minutes desperately trying not to touch your face. And then we can begin the removal process. Just get the bowl, get the towel out, make sure you squeeze it out without getting water on the table because we are careful. And then just gently wipe the mask off of your skin. You can also rinse it, but I feel like this is a little bit of more like a spa experience. You know what I'm saying? And just, yeah, gently remove the mask. Don't be too harsh on your skin because towels can be a little bit overly rough, especially if you went in with an exfoliating mask like me, which is why I'm being definitely more gentle. Even if it doesn't look like it, I promise I'm being gentle. And now that you're done, just carefully put the towel back into the bowl of water, being very careful, and then proceed to stand up and knock over the table, which spills water all over your book and the couch and the carpet and your skincare products. Ugh! Are you kidding me? I literally just bought this book from Barnes & Noble. I'm such a klutz. Use your robe to dry off the pages unsuccessfully, and then get a random bandana to clean up the rest of the mess because number 1, you're out of towels. Number 2, you're not going to use a paper towel or toilet paper because hello, quarantine. So after this, I take my skin discipline supplement before I start into my skincare routine, just to make sure I'm taken care of so I don't forget, like I always do. And then I'm going in with a repairing serum just to help repair the moisture barrier if the exfoliation was a little bit too intense and just to reassure the skin and calm down the redness. As you put it across your face, just gently disperse it onto every area and then take your 2 fingers, I don't know what those are called, and then just start gently rubbing it across your face. I like doing this because it really makes it feel like someone is giving you a facial, and even though it does look a little bit rough on my skin, I don't know why it looks like that because in actuality it is very gentle and feels amazing on the skin. It's just a very spa-like experience. Oh, that's cute, Hyram. And as always, don't forget your neck. We always gotta remember the neck. The neck is not excluded from the skincare routine today, no sir! And then next, go in with a moisturizer. I'm using this one that has green tea extract, which is also gonna soothe any redness or irritation, but it's also super lightweight, so it won't feel overly heavy on my face after all of those treatments. And same as the serum, just disperse it across your face, and using those same 2 fingers, just gently rub it into your skin for a at-home DIY spa experience. Was that a good impression? Again, don't forget the neck. We should all know this by now. I swear to God, if any of you guys are not moisturizing your necks, I will single-handedly come into your homes and tell you to get your shit together. And then after that, I just like to gently press it into my skin just because I notice it helps the products like feel like they've absorbed better, particularly if you have oily skin, and we're good. And then for the last step, going in with a lip mask to make sure those lips are hydrated. And Hyram, that is and then to finish off the spa experience, get your book, sit back, begin to read, and end up falling asleep because you haven't read a book for fun since you were in the 5th grade. And yeah, so what did you guys think of that shit show? Honestly, as soon as I knocked over the water bottle and it spilled all over everything, I was like, Hyram, why the fuck are you doing this? But my hope is that you guys can take some inspiration from this DIY at-home spa creation and use it yourself for all of the free time that you will have while locked up in your house. I hope all of you guys are safe, healthy, and protected. Please, please, please be smart about what you do, where you go, and how much you buy. And while it's better to be safe than sorry, let's make sure that we're empathetic towards all the members of our society so that we can all be protected as much as possible. I will be creating as much content as I can for for you guys from here on out. And yeah, just be safe, be healthy, and be by yourself. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.